G'day, welcome to the turbo unboxing of the Panasonic NA-140VX3 washing machine. I'm a bit out of breath because we just removed the old stuff, but in the interest of time, let's get straight into the unboxing. So, it should just be a matter of pulling this up. Work. So there's foam and all that good stuff, but here we go. That's well, pretty much the washing machine. This is the 10 kilo model. So let's get this stuff off so you can have a look. So yeah, that's the various detergent drawers there. So you have the preload, fabric softener, and a post-load or during load reservoir right here. Dials, and it's got a whole stack of programs. But you can see, there's more stuff in there. Obviously we don't want in there. A little bit wet, so I can only guess that they've done a test run on this or something at some point. But yeah, quite spacious in there. Hose, standard, and you know, you've got all your manuals and some other bits and pieces here. So, and just a quick look on the back, nothing fantastic, just power cords. I think I'll have to unscrew these as well. I'll do that a bit later. And yeah, that's where the inward hose goes, I believe. No, that's the grey water. Yeah, grey water. So there we have it. That's the turbo unboxing of the Panasonic NA-140VX3. If you've got any questions, leave a comment below. If you found the video handy, make sure you give it a thumbs up. But as always, thanks for watching.